Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn on Wi-Fi scanning in Android, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Location option. When you spot it, go ahead and tap on it to proceed. Step 3. In the Location menu, look for Location Services. When you see it, tap on it to access more settings related to location and scanning. Step 4. Next, locate and tap on the Wi-Fi scanning option. This option manages the scanning feature for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Step 5. Within the Wi-Fi scanning menu, you'll see an option to enable or disable Wi-Fi scanning. Right now, it should be set to off. Step 6, to turn it on, just tap on the toggle switch next to Wi-Fi scanning. Once enabled, your device will scan for Wi-Fi networks even when Wi-Fi is turned off, improving location accuracy. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Wi-Fi scanning in Android. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.